Just hanging in the sky there. The awesome Airbus A380. Singapore Airlines, coming in from Singapore. Now, there's a chance, it's a slim chance, that I will be flying on the Singapore A380 in their first class suite in January. It won't be this long flight, there's no way I can afford that. And it is slightly more affordable from Mumbai. Now there's details on my main channel, some Bloke who travels a lot, all about that flight. Certainly going to be a unique trip. To come in. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is Windsor Castle, and above it is the British Airways A380 arriving from Los Angeles. Been in the air for 10 hours. 10 hours on an A380, I'll take it. Preferably, you know, in one of the posh seats. I'll settle for premium economy, to be honest. If you're offering, go on then, I'll take club. Especially if it's the new club suites, they're fantastic. I've actually been lucky enough to fly on the British Airways A380 in first class. That was from Singapore back in 2019. Yes, it was tremendous. Yes, it was more than anything I dreamed of. So good, they made me do it twice. For 3 hours on the tarmac, they cancelled the flight for crew hours, made us come back the next day to do it again. Absolutely marvellous. Oh, here we go. Power there.